Welcome to the future of hygiene, where every role begins in these vast, sustainable fields of bamboo and bagasse, flourishing under the warm morning sun. We do not use old-growth forests. Instead, we harness the power of rapidly renewable plants that respect our planet's delicate and vital natural ecosystem. Our journey starts with precision. Massive automated harvesters gather these raw materials with high efficiency, ensuring the highest quality from the very first step. This isn't just farming, it is high-tech resource management designed to provide sustainable materials for millions of families across the entire North American continent. The raw fibers are compressed into dense blocks and loaded onto eco-friendly electric transport vehicles, heading straight toward our state-of-the-art processing facility today. This green logistics chain ensures that our carbon footprint remains as light as the paper we produce, maintaining a cycle of true environmental responsibility. As we enter the heart of the facility, the transformation begins. Here, nature meets advanced engineering to redefine what premium comfort truly looks like. Step inside the core of innovation. This is where raw, dry plants are prepared for a technological metamorphosis that will change their structure forever. The processing begins as dry fibers enter high-capacity grinders. We break down the tough exterior of the plants to reach the soft cellulose within. Inside the machinery, the structure is shredded at a microscopic level. Every fiber is separated with surgical precision to ensure the ultimate base material. Our secret lies in micro-bubble technology. Instead of harsh bleaching chemicals, we use physical pressure and air to purify and whiten the fibers naturally. Lignin, the natural glue that makes plants stiff, is gently removed. Yet this process leaves behind only the softest, most flexible cellulose for our paper. The resulting pulp flows through multiple stages of fine filtration. We remove every impurity to ensure that the final product is perfectly clean and safe. In these massive mixing chambers, the pulp is refined. We achieve a perfect balance of consistency, creating a smooth emulsion that feels like liquid silk. With hundreds of tons of pressure, we manipulate the material's properties. Engineering at this scale allows us to control the exact softness and strength needed. Every milliliter of pulp is scanned by laser sensors. This real-time data ensures that the density remains consistent throughout the entire production cycle today. This complex network of pipes and tanks is the circulatory system of our factory, moving the lifeblood of our product with unmatched industrial efficiency. As the pulp matures in the refining pools, it gains the characteristics of premium paper. What we are turning rough plants into the essence of comfort. Our expert technicians monitor every batch. Their eyes and ears, combined with advanced AI, guarantee that only the best pulp moves to the next stage. In our R&D lab, we define what softness means. Our scientists analyze data to push the boundaries of paper technology and user experience every day. We test for mechanical strength under extreme conditions. Our paper must be durable enough for use while remaining incredibly gentle on the most sensitive skin. Look closer at the microscopic web of fibers. This unique interlocking structure provides the elasticity and a strength that distinguishes our premium brand from others. Every micrometer is accounted for. By studying the structure at this level, we can optimize the feel and performance of every single sheet produced. Absorption is critical. Our laboratory tests ensure that the paper can handle moisture instantly, while providing a clean and dry experience for every single user. Sustainability also means being septic safe. We ensure our paper dissolves quickly in water, preventing clogs while maintaining its integrity during its intended use. This specialized device measures the hand feel index. We strive for a score that represents the peak of luxury and comfort for our demanding customers. Years of research culminate in these final specifications. It is a perfect harmony of biology and engineering designed for the modern American household's needs. The transformation becomes physical here. A curtain of liquid pulp is sprayed onto a fast-moving mesh, where water is instantly extracted by powerful vacuums. In just a fraction of a second, the liquid becomes a solid sheet. This high-speed dehydration is the foundation of our efficient manufacturing process. The paper travels at incredible speeds, a continuous white ribbon moving through the machine as it begins its journey toward becoming a finished product. Massive drying rollers, heated to extreme temperatures, bake the paper. This heat not only dries the fibers, but also sterilizes the product for absolute hygiene. The intense heat locks in the softness. As the moisture evaporates, the fibers set into a smooth, consistent plane of pure, white, premium quality paper. The scale is breathtaking. These machines run 24 hours a day, producing miles of paper every minute to keep up with the nation's growing demand. Finally, the paper is wound into jumbo rolls. Each one of these massive cylinders contains enough paper to span several miles of soft comfort. The power and speed are immense. Witness the birth of a product that will soon find its way into the homes of millions across America. This is the essence of our craft. A perfect, flawless surface that is the result of thousands of hours of technological innovation and careful plant selection. Nothing escapes our quality control. Automated vision systems inspect every inch of the paper in real time, ensuring that every sheet meets our high standards. The sheer scale of production is a testament to our commitment. We are ready to serve, ready to provide, and ready to lead the industry. Precision is key in the finishing stage. High-speed steel blades slice through the rolls, dividing them into the familiar sizes used in every American bathroom. Thousands of individual rolls emerge every minute. They move with rhythmic perfection, a choreographed dance of modern manufacturing that never stops for a moment. Our embossing rollers add more than just beauty. They create a textured surface that increases both the softness and the overall cleaning efficiency of the paper. These tiny air pockets are the secret to our quilted feel. They provide a cushioned sensation that makes our paper feel like luxury cloth. Even the cores are made with sustainability in mind. Every component of our product is designed to be as eco-friendly as the raw materials themselves. Robotic arms handle the rolls with gentle precision. This automated process ensures that no human hands ever touch the product, maintaining total hygiene throughout. Our premium packaging is the final touch. Designed with a clean American aesthetic, it reflects the high quality of the treasure hidden inside the wrap. We wear our sustainability with pride. Every pack is clearly labeled, allowing consumers to make an informed and eco-conscious choice for their families and planet. Cases are stacked with geometric perfection. Our automated warehouse systems handle the heavy lifting, preparing the product for its journey to the retail shelves. Security and stability are ensured for transport. Every pallet is wrapped tightly, protecting the product from dust and damage during the long cross-country shipping process. This is a clean room environment. Yes, we maintain the highest standards of sanitation, ensuring that our paper is the safest choice for you and your loved ones. In our smart warehouse, AI takes the lead. Autonomous vehicles move through the facility with silent precision, guided by lasers and complex logistics algorithms. This is the peak of industrial logistics. By eliminating human error, we ensure that the right product always reaches the right destination at the right time. Our storage capacity is vast. This buffer ensures a steady supply to the market, even during times of high demand, keeping American shelves fully stocked. From this command center, we monitor the entire supply chain. Our team ensures that the flow of goods is seamless, from our factory to your door. As the sun begins to rise, the trucks are ready. They carry the promise of comfort and sustainability to every corner of the vast American landscape. Through cities and across plains, our products are on the move, and we are connected to the heartbeat of the nation through our reliable distribution network. At the store, the journey meets the consumer. Our premium packaging stands out, inviting shoppers to experience a new level of quality and environmental care. Families choose us because they trust our process. They know that when they buy our paper, they are supporting a greener and much more sustainable future. Finally, the product arrives in its true home, in the most private and essential moments of life. We provide the ultimate comfort and peace of mind. Feel the difference that technology makes. It is more than just paper. It is a commitment to your health, your comfort, and our shared planet's future. From sustainable fields to 10 million American homes, we are redefining hygiene for a better tomorrow. Thank you for choosing a future that is green.